Hey YouTubies, how's it going? Tonight I am having sushi. Lots and lots of sushi. Yum! I got 5 different kinds. I have the kind you get from Walmart. I have coconut shrimp tempura roll, which is this one over here on this side. Spicy crab roll, that one right there. Shrimp and avocado roll, that one right there. Philadelphia roll. What was that? Oh, that was that one on the end. And California roll. Whoa! California roll, which is that one. I'm going to pause this for a second so I go put these back in the refrigerator. Be right back. Alrighty then. It's hot out here, a lot hotter than I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to put my heater back real quick before we get started. Whew. A lot more humid out here than I was expecting. Okay, I got some sauce here. I got soy sauce. Duh. What did I put in it? Soy sauce, some other sauce, I'll type it in there, a little bit of sesame seed oil, I think it was, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, so hopefully it's good. I got wasabi here too, but I'm not a real big wasabi fan, but I might try a small amount. So, let's get started. I don't remember what I said what was. I think this one was the Philadelphia roll. Let's see if I don't drop these with the chopsticks. I'm not real talented with chopsticks, by the way. Oh, I've been craving sushi so much. Ah, I lost it! Oh, crap. I'm going to fall apart in there while I'm reaching for the little tiny piece. Put on my shirt. Told you I wasn't real talented with chopsticks. Oh, now it's drowned. Oh well. Oh my gosh. That was good. This is the frozen sushi you get from Walmart. It's not as good as fresh sushi, of course. And we love to get fresh sushi from a restaurant. Or learn how to make it myself. I haven't quite worked on that yet. But any restaurants that make really good sushi is like 2 to 3 hours away from me. There's some sushi places around here. This is better than their sushi. The one place I've gotten sushi from, they put coleslaw on their sushi in one type, and bread and butter pickles in the other type. I mean, like almost like KFC type coleslaw. That's what I gotta say about it. And bread and butter pickles? Instead of a cucumber? Never heard of it. So this stuff is good, I think. Y'all better behave down there. Talking to my chickens. I'm hoping my rooster doesn't start crowing here a bit. He loves to, when I start talking while I'm out here, he loves to start crowing. Like, shush. I don't want to hear it. I am not the most talented at this. I mean, I need to get some training chopsticks one of these days, I think. I think I'm doing better than I used to. Anywho, how you guys doing? Good, I hope. Hey, Gracie. I just realized I forgot to get a drink. I'm going to have to pause in a little bit and get a drink. Because that little bite was spicy. Ah, that was good. It was a shrimp tempura, I think. I don't remember what I said it was. But it's good. Oh, man. It is definitely hotter out here than I drowned it! Hotter out here than I was expecting. Drown sushi. Oh my goodness! Really, Vikki? Really? Seriously? Oh, don't you put your 2 cents in worth. I don't need to hear it. Oh my goodness. Down sushi. Like a little soy sauce with your sushi? Or a little sushi with your soy sauce? Yes, please. Definitely a lot of soy sauce. I'm wearing soy sauce to boot. And be right back. I'm going to pause. I need to go get a drink. Bring a drink out. Okay, I'm back. I was going to get water, but I decided to get my Highlands chocolate milk. It is so nice out today other than being warm. Get away from my sushi. So a fly. Right, sharing with you. I hit the spot. Get away. I ain't sharing. I'm telling you right now. Mine. Maybe. You may get something if I drop it, but that's all. Yeah. Stay on there. Don't you fall. Don't you fall. No, 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 no. Okay, at least you didn't fall in the soy sauce. Oh. Y'all better be getting away. I ain't sharing. Well, it's not with you. Share with them, not with you. Try this spicy crab roll again. Stay on there. Stay on there. Okay, I think I'll get brave and I'll try a tiny bit of wasabi. I guarantee I'll get very far in this though. Like I said, I am not a wasabi fan. I got spice in that. It's got a little bit of ginger, a little bit of the cayenne pepper, got a little bit of a kick. But this is knocking your butt kind of spicy. I like kick, not knock you in your butt. I should do it. I should do that as a prank sometime on my parents or my hubby. Give them a little bit of wasabi when they're not knowing it. Yes, I'm ornery. Put things around so you can see me. See how much I'm dipping into the wasabi. Oh, here goes. So I know y'all like seeing people being tortured, right? I know I do. Not tortured. Like funny tortured. I didn't get anything on there. Seriously? Alright. You watch, I probably did and not realize I got more on there than I thought I did. Okay, I got a bunch on my... There we go. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna pay for this. Just so you can see, that's what it looks like up close. They're actually, for frozen little sushis, if you eat them, if you thaw them out and eat them pretty quick after they've thawed out, they're not bad. They get dried out, that's when you start having issues. But I've learned to kind of spritz them with a little bit of a spray bottle with warm water. Okay, I got a little bit of kick. Not as much as I thought it was going to be, but oh, I tasted the coconut in that one. Ah! So on this one. Oh. You keep hanging around, we're going to have issues. Oh, man. Okay. Hopefully not. Okay, I'll go for that one. I have no idea which ones I'm eating. I'm just eating because they're all good. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my goodness. Take some soy. Nah. You know what? I'm getting chopsticks. As my daddy always said, fingers are made before forks. Man, I wish there was a restaurant here that had good sushi. Last time I went to a sushi restaurant that had good sushi, we went down to my husband's cousins for the 4th of July. We went to Joy Walk Buffet there. They had 16 different types of sushi. That's where I did my last sushi buffet. Well, not my last sushi buffet, but the Joy Walk Buffet video. I would have talked in that video more had I known I wasn't going to get copyright strikes. I thought sure I was going to get copyright strikes and I was going to have to put music over everything. No, I didn't get anything this time. So, which is good. But if I'd known, we'll talk more. Yes, I make weird noises when I'm frustrated. You haven't heard half of the noises I make. Trust me. Oh, let's see here. Worst thing is I wanted to use the chopsticks. I'm not that talented with them. I guess I could give y'all a little bit of a better close-up. I hadn't thought of that. Sorry. Yeah. There's the spicy crab roll, I think. You know, this is not the way you're supposed to eat sushi. Roll, aside from the kick that I have in the sauce, it's got some kick. Ooh. Yeehaw. I hear you. Uh-huh. You can't get up there, huh? I'm trying to get up here on the porch. They can't get up. Dad fixed things where they can't get up on the porch anymore. Ha ha. Okay, y'all, let me eat one more and I'm full. I think that's the crab roll. Oh, for all of you that have not seen it, that's the Philadelphia roll, I think. A piece of rice right in the middle. Philadelphia roll. I'm stuffed. There we go. Okay, I'm ready to pop. So, alrighty, I'm gonna get ready to scoop. And what are you doing? Okay. Probably wants to attempt to eat one more. I was like, no, no. Same time I'm thinking, yes, no, yes, no. I'm gonna go with a no for this time. So anywho, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are new to my channel and you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. What are you doing? No chickens up here. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And anything else I might have forgotten because of getting distracted. What are you doing up there, Birdie? Alright. So yeah, I'm getting ready to scoop. I'm so full now, I can't think. I think that's pretty much it. I'm about ready to explode. It's a sushi explosion! I don't know if that'd be a good thing or a bad thing. So, anywho, I'm going to skip. Catch you guys later. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you again soon for another video. Another mukbang. Bye-bye. Next time, if things go as planned, Anthony should be with me, my husband. He's sleeping right now. We've turned back into night people. Up all night and sleeping through the day. We're vampires. Just kidding on that. Anyway, I'm going to go crawl in my coffin after I go for a walk. Work some of this off. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye. I'm rambling.